Meet the Teon Thermal Washer Disinfector from W&H. This high-performing thermal washer cleans, disinfects and processes to the highest standards of hygiene in modern dental practice. It's safe and reliable, impressively fast, and extremely efficient. Keep watching to discover the power behind the performance. The Teon has a crystal-clear display with an enhanced, user-friendly menu layout. Configuring the system to your individual requirements is simple. Want to start a new cycle? Or schedule daily tests outside surgery opening hours? Tap and it's done. Teon combines outstanding cleaning power, reliability and traceability with exceptional speed. Pick the program that suits your needs, and cycle times automatically adjust to fit the load, effortlessly saving you time and money. The quick standard program takes just 60 minutes. The heating element is situated outside the wash chamber, preventing limescale buildup, so you can rely on Teon to keep performing well for longer. Once a cycle is complete, the load can be traced quickly and easily. With the Ethernet module and free custom software, simply click to open and view all the data for every cycle. Teon is designed, certified and validated to the most stringent directives and standards. The built-in flow sensor intelligently monitors water pressure and spray arm rotation, so it can immediately alert you to any obstructions or drops in pressure. And an internal air gap prevents the backflow of fluids to satisfy legal requirements, so you can be confident of full process compliance every time. Teon adapts to your needs thanks to a selection of interior baskets. Choose between two starter sets, either the standard set with its clean loading upper and lower baskets, or the injector set with its state-of-the-art handpiece connectors, ensuring that reprocessing is simple and efficient. Teon is ergonomically designed. The large, smooth, seamless chamber makes processing loads straightforward and also makes Teon very easy to clean. Just another example of user-centered design. Maintaining your Teon is simple. You can keep it in tip-top condition by refilling the integrated water softener whenever you get a reminder. Teon prompts you to refill detergent and rinsing agent as well. As for replacing chemicals, you can't go wrong. Now you have met the Teon Thermal Washer Disinfector. We think you'll agree that it is outstanding in all the categories that matter. For a fully compliant thermal washer that cleans, disinfects and processes to the highest standards of safety and hygiene in modern dental practice, look no further. Or for even more features, such as a HEPA filter and active air drying technology, ask us about Teon Plus. Teon, powered by performance. To find out more, please contact W&H.
W&H. People have priority.